Okay, so this one I used washi tape and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots. Well, 6. I used washi tape within the paper scraps and then the black and white striped at the top of that square in the bottom, and then as well as at the bottom of the page. I use the same paper scraps and washi. I did the same, but in a smaller, much smaller version. This is my niece again, waiting on the Sibley Parade. This one I used that blue photo mat is, well, you can see there. It is the tissue paper that the hip kit was wrapped in. I normally just throw it away, but I thought, you know what? Maybe I can use it. So I used it as photo mats. And then that black and white stripe is just a scrap, as well as those strips are also scraps. But I used watercolors as my mixed media. The black and white stripe is Maggie Holmes Shine from my stash. The strips are just scraps from Maggie Holmes Carousel. I am using that hello is the puffy sticker from American Crafts, thickers that came in the kit. That tag is Vicky Booten, I believe, from the kit. And the tag is from Maggie Holmes Carousel. And what I did is I took the roller stamps from my stash and I stamped on the different labels that I put in within each cluster. And then these die cuts and chipboard stickers are Maggie Holmes Carousel as well. And then I'm going to add die cuts at the bottom, or not die cuts, but the chipboard stickers at the bottom. And those are Maggie Holmes Carousel as well. See, this is a perfect example as to where I did my mixed media ahead of time and I had everything planned out so it goes together a little quicker. I scrapbook and then I put it to the side and I film later. Yeah. I should just put up the camera and scrapbook my process, but not always do I. And then the sew is American Crafts Thickers and the sweet is Maggie Holmes Carousel. And then that pretty much completes the layout. I'm trying to see, what do I want to do? I come in here and I do splatters using Tattered Angel. Oh no, I use black. Is that black? No, I use Tattered Angel, sorry. Anyway, so when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.